What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar. You're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, today we're going to talk about Sorted. Sorted basically transforms your Gmail into a dynamic visual workspace that boosts team productivity and simplifies workflows. It's basically an extension, it's a lightweight add on tool for Gmail and G Suite that will help you grow your business, especially if you're into BD team, that is business development, or if you handle the sales for your organization. It's a pretty great tool to organize each and every email, or in case if you are from client servicing background and if you deal with a lot of emails on a daily basis, because I am from a client servicing background and there are tons of emails which we get on a daily basis. So this is the tool which I thought I'm going to show you how to install Sorted on your Gmail. Without any delay, let's get started. So before getting on to the installation part, let's have a quick look what exactly is Sorted and how is it going to help you out. Sorted is a lightweight all-in-one sales delivery platform for G Suite users. I'm sorry. Track workflows, collaborate with your team, and manage projects all right from your Gmail. So that is pretty cool. As it's an extension, you can either go on Chrome extension window, uh, or you can go ahead and simply click add sorted to Gmail. I'm going to click on the add sorted to Gmail, and it will directly land me up to the Chrome web store. Um, all you need to do is click on this add to Chrome button over here, add the extension. Now it's checking and it's getting added over here. Once that is done, it's gonna add that extension right here and take you to a different window altogether. That would be your Gmail account. In case if you don't have a Gmail account logged in on your screen, it's gonna ask you to go ahead and log in. This is pretty much of how the sorted interface looks. But wait for the big part of it, because it's gonna blow your mind. Like now, for instance, if you have, this is basically the interface. Like you have the tags added, you have your daily plan routine. Basically it's gonna show you what are the follow-ups that you need to do, and which are the emails that you need to respond, and how are your leads going, and doing that for you. You click on this open sorted button and just click on open board. What basically it's gonna do is it's gonna ask you to add boards according to your emails that you want to categorize. For example, there are potential leads, there are waste leads, or there are follow-ups, or there are current customers. You can go ahead and add the boards as per your requirement. Like let's say add new board, and you can go ahead and add this board late, let's say follow-ups. And this is I'm currently on a free version. It also offers you a paid version, but the free version is what I would recommend you to go ahead with, because it pretty much gives you all. And for the paid version, it's just a bit of hype, but then I really don't think that you would require the free paid version. You can always go ahead and keep your board or keep your sorted to the free version. It still works great. Now, as soon as you click on create board, this is how the interface is going to change directly from that red and gray color that we are always used to for Gmail. This is your new inbox. This is your new follow-up part, or this is your new board where you can organize. Now, as you see, I have created this follow-up boards here. Now, I can just go ahead and click on this. You can add that task name. Let's say call mom, and it allows you to add it to your daily, add to my day plan. So it will ask you to go ahead and you can just click on this thing, and you can go ahead and customize whichever time you want. You can pick a date. You can, like, it's today, tomorrow, in 2 days, next week. When do you want to follow up? Like, it's just call mom is just an example which I have shared, which is a ridiculous one, I know for a matter of fact. But you can just go ahead and, like, let's say call in case you want to edit, you just double click on that, and Mr. Jones. That's it. And you can add whatever notes basically if you want to add. Apart from that, in case if you have an email which you want to go ahead and follow up, you can just go ahead and drag and drop it here. It gets added. Similarly, you can add a pickup time, or in case if you want to go ahead and add this to your particular task list of your particular subordinate or your boss or whoever is supposed to follow up on that particular lead, you can go ahead and give this particular task to them. If they will be automatically notified when you click and when you add those people. Similarly, you can add these boards. Let's say, for example, new leads or fresh leads, or deadlines. Coming from a client servicing background, deadlines is something which is really important. So you can always go ahead and add, let's say this is a wait while email which I added here. You can just add this about when do you want to get reminded and what exactly is supposed to be done for this particular email, right from editing here. You can always go ahead and toggle between Gmail and sorted by this button here. I'm going to show you it again. Now, every time this board will pop up because there are not enough boards right now that I've created, but that's how it works. In case if you want to go back to Gmail, just click on this button and this is your Gmail interface. On the right, you have this calendar, you have notes, you have sorted, uh, notepad, and etc. And it also gives you, it basically creates a task list. This is your task list for today, so you can go ahead and scratch them, or complete or view details, edit the title, archive, or delete, highlight in case if there is something red which is supposed to be marked, or yellow, or use the different colors altogether. um, Apart from that, as I added that particular Gmail, to see that there is a follow-up, I need to make it tomorrow because I edited the time for tomorrow. Apart from that, you can always toggle between this sidebar here, between Gmail and sorted. You just click on this and it works great. So apart from that, is there something I'm missing on? Let me just see. You can open it full screen, but I don't think that is required because we need to toggle in between a lot of things. There are settings, and let me just quickly show you the pricing for this in case if you want to go ahead for a free version, a paid version. The pricing is a very minimal pricing. It comes for $6 per month, and it gives you this pro features like Gmail integration, task management, unlimited lists, and unlimited tasks, and email tracking, and which is a new feature altogether they have added recently, and so on and so forth. But again, I would go ahead and recommend, as they also say, the basic plan is free forever. Experience power of sorted with drag and drop. This tool is basically an alternative to Gmail's drag. In case if you have not heard about that particular extension altogether, it works similarly like sorted. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to go ahead and make a video on drag as well. I can go ahead and do that. Um, Apart from that, this is pretty much about how can you go ahead and install sorted on your Gmail and have that dashboard to toggle between your sales personality and your normal Gmail trackers. Or it's a great tool if you're a client servicing person like me, and I would definitely go ahead and recommend to for you to go ahead and try this particular tool. Let me know in the comment section how did you find this particular video. I'll be back with another video for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel. In case if you want to go ahead and follow me, you can find the links of my social media channels or in the video description below, and you can always go ahead and check out my blog. The link is again in the video description. I'll be back with another hack. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep geeking.